10:19, continue to see the winter precip here in North Texas. You look at the radar now and you can see that the color switching over to white, indicating some snow. We do have a live picture right now from Dallas of some flurries. This is in downtown Dallas. This is not as impressive as about maybe 10 to 15 minutes ago, but that light snow continuing to fall near downtown Dallas, and that will be the story through the remainder of the night tonight and into the morning hours. So we're seeing that switch over happening already, and you notice that we continue to see that on the radar. Down to the south, though, seeing that color mixing in with a little bit of pink over the past maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Right now, as that radar sweeps searching for anything, seeing that switch over as these temperatures continue to drop. We've seen some freezing rain. We've seen some sleet mix in. And if that's already coating some elevated surfaces, you get snow on top of that, and it can be pretty slick. Down through parts of Hill County, also stretching to near Bosque County, seeing that switch over also happening. So reports are continuing to come in of the rain that we had earlier this evening, now switching over to freezing rain. We had some sleet also mixed in, and now seeing that light snow developing. So we'll watch this as we go through the remainder of the night tonight and look at the temperature profile across the Metroplex. Now 29 in McKinney, 29 in Denton, to just above the freezing mark in Southlake, to the freezing mark in Dallas, seeing 31 in Mesquite, to 32 in Burleson, and 34 right now in Granbury. And across the wide view of North Texas, you can see in the mid-20s off towards the North Ardmore right now at 25, to about 31 in Waxahachie, Corsicana, right on that freezing line possibly, and that's why we've seen some of that sleet developing. So hour by hour, overnight into the early morning hours, temperatures continue to drop into the mid-20s, precip sitting at 60 to 50%. You see that on the future sky forecast, and you can see we have a lot of that precip working its way north to south and then switching over to all snow. So forecast along with me, you're able to see, actually this is the high resolution model. This was initializing a little bit more, picking up on the snow that's happening right now. There's the North American model. So I do expect us to have some accumulating snow possible overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, possibly the southeast sides of Dallas County and our southeast counties, where you could have the larger amounts of maybe 1 to 2 inches of snow accumulating. So the winter weather alerts continue. Winter weather advisory from 6 o'clock until about noon tomorrow. So until noon tomorrow, that does include parts of the Metroplex, factoring in maybe this light wintry mix, which we're seeing right now, dusting to about a ½ inch of accumulation of that quick transition to snow, which we've continued to see and is verifying tonight. Down towards the south and the east, though, that does include parts of Hopkins County, Ellis County, and that line down towards the southwest of Bosque County. That's where we have that heavier winter mix. This winter storm warning goes into effect at midnight, remains in effect until 6 Tuesday. A ½ inch to near 2 inches of accumulation of that sleet and snow mix, which we've been seeing for tonight. So that's what you need to keep in mind. So this is what we're thinking, that dusting to ½ inch and then higher amounts down towards the south and east going into tomorrow morning. On top of that, it gets very cold. By the time you wake up tomorrow morning, mid-20s, feeling like 5 degrees. We will see our temperatures trying to warm their way up to near the freezing mark tomorrow afternoon, but still feeling like the teens when you factor in the wind. And then by Wednesday morning, the actual temperature, 13 degrees. That will be the coldest night at DFW that we've seen in 7 years. After that, though, we will see temperatures continue to warm their way back on up. By Saturday, it's Texas. 70 degrees. You're watching CBS 11, the ones for Texas weather. We'll be right back.